Hello students, today we are going to do exercise 10.4 of time chapter, which is about adding and subtracting hours and minutes. How to add and subtract hours and minutes, that we are going to learn here. Now let's see how. First question says add the measures of time 5 hours 25 minutes and 7 hours 55 minutes are to be added. For this, first we will write in columns hours and minutes separately, that is 5 hours 25 minutes and 7 hours 55 minutes. Now this is simple addition. Let's see, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 8 and 5 plus 7 is 12. Now children, you have got 12 hours 80 minutes. Now students, when your minutes column exceeds 60 minutes, that is once 60 minutes are over, the time is turned into 1 hour. 60 minutes is turned into 1 hour. So here it is 80 minutes. So we have to shift the 60 minutes here to the hours column. That is, subtract 60 from here and add 1 to this hour column. That is, this 60 minutes out of 80 minutes, 60 minutes is shifted to the hour column and we get here 20 minutes left and hour becomes 13. This means your answer is 13 hours 20 minutes of this A part. Now students, question number 1D part says 3 hours 15 minutes 32 seconds to be added with 6 hours 29 minutes 40 seconds. So again we will write the hours, minutes and seconds in different columns. 3 hours 15 minutes 32 seconds plus 6 hours 29 minutes 40 seconds. When added you get 72 seconds 44 minutes and 9 hours. Children, now this again seconds have exceeded, 60 seconds have exceeded to 72. So again we will be deducting 60 seconds from here, because once 60 seconds are over, it is converted into 1 minute. So we will deduct 60 seconds from 72 and add up 1 minute to the minute column, and this way we will get the exact time. 7 minus 6 is 1, 4 plus 5 is 4 plus 1 is 5, 4, 9 hours will be the same. So your time is, after adding you get 9 hours 45 minutes 12 seconds. This is the way you are supposed to do the addition of time. So students, the second question here is to subtract the measures of time. Now A part says 5 hours 32 minutes are to be subtracted from 6 hours 20 minutes. Now here again we will write the hours and minutes in the different column. 6 hours 20 minutes first we will write, then we will write 5 hours 32 minutes. Now students, we cannot deduct 20 minutes, 32 minutes from 20 minutes. So we have to borrow. When we will borrow from the hours, minutes, the hour will straight away give 1 hour. That means plus 60 minutes. When 1 hour is converted into minutes, it will be 60 minutes. So to subtract, we will have to add plus 60 to 20 and then do the subtraction. That is, 20 plus 60 will be 80 minutes. Now out of 80 minutes we have to subtract 32. So once we subtract 32 out of 80 minutes, we get 48 minutes. So you get 48 minutes and 1 hour has been borrowed to the minutes, that is 6 will become 5 hours. 5 minus 5 is 0. So your answer here becomes 48 minutes only. After deducting, you get 48 Now question number 2 of 10.4 exercise says subtract the measures of time. D part we are going to do. 40 minutes 50 seconds are to be subtracted from 50 minutes and no seconds have been given. So for the time being you will write 0 0, and when we have to subtract 40 minutes out of 40 minutes 15 seconds out of 50 minutes, again we have to borrow from minutes to get the subtraction done here. That is, when seconds borrow from minutes, 50 becomes 49 and you get 60 seconds here, as 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 60 minus 15 will be 45 seconds, and 49 minus 40 will be 9 minutes. So your answer here becomes now 9 minutes 45 seconds. This is the way you are supposed to do the subtraction of minutes and seconds and hours and minutes. So students, with the help of these sums, you have to complete your rest of the exercise in your notebook. Thank you.